Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening Keynote and creating a new presentation from a template. Choose the 16:9 aspect ratio and set slide size to 1920 x 1080 for modern displays. Select a clean template with neutral palettes and minimal layouts. Immediately customize master slides for consistent fonts, sizes, and color accents across all slides. Set heading font size, body size, and a primary color swatch to match branding. Enable autosave and name the document to prevent accidental data loss. Design each slide around a single key idea to keep audience focus and clarity. Limit on-slide words to about 40 words and no more than 6 lines per slide for readability. Add high-resolution images at 300 dpi and crop images to at least 3.5 inches on screen for clarity. Build charts with labeled axes, percentage values, and a concise legend for quick comprehension. Use consistent spacing and align elements with guides to maintain professional visual balance on every slide. Add subtle animations and builds to reveal points incrementally and avoid cognitive overload. Keep transitions fast, under 1 second, and avoid excessive motion that distracts the audience. Create presenter notes with concise prompts and rehearse aloud while timing each slide to set the total presentation length. Export a PDF for printed handouts and a PowerPoint file for collaborators who use other software. Create a QuickTime movie when you need a self-running or recorded version for remote playback.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.